We can find parabolas in many places. For example, water fountain. The shape of a parabola is in fact the shape of the graph of a quadratic function. A quadratic function in x is a function that can be written in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a does not equal 0. Let us study the features of a quadratic graph one by one. Direction of opening, symmetry, vertex, y-intercept, and x-intercept. These features can be determined from the values of a, b, and c. Direction of opening. If a is greater than 0, then the quadratic graph opens upwards. If a is smaller than 0, then the quadratic graph opens downwards. Symmetry. The quadratic graph has reflectional symmetry about a vertical line. This line is called the axis of symmetry. Vertex. The quadratic graph intersects its axis of symmetry at only one point. This point is the vertex of the graph. If a is greater than 0, the vertex is the lowest point, and the quadratic function has the minimum value. If a is smaller than 0, the vertex is the highest point, and the quadratic function has the maximum value. Y-intercept. The quadratic graph cuts the y-axis at only one point with coordinates 0, c. Hence, the y-intercept of the graph is c. X-intercept. The number of x-intercepts can be determined by the discriminant. Delta equals b squared minus 4ac of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. If delta is greater than 0, then there are two x-intercepts. If delta equals 0, then there is one x-intercept. If delta is smaller than 0, then there are no x-intercepts.